Hello from New Jersey. It's Penny Clegg. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about putting together a first aid kit. It's very important that we have all of our wonderful oils at home. It's fabulous, and we can treat things for our family and ourselves with the hundreds of oils that we have at our disposal from DoTerra that we keep at home. But it's also critical that we consider what are our go-to oils to take along with us in the event that we have a little first aid emergency while we're out and about. You're on a day trip and you've got your first aid kit in the car, which is great, but you really wish you had some lavender to help soothe achy muscles, or peppermint for you bit your tongue, or somebody bit their tongue, and you're looking for things that you can immediately do that are going to help your body to deal with the trauma as quickly as possible. It's nice to be able to come home and use the oils, but it's great to have them along with you. So to that end, doTerra makes this cute little to-go little fob that has a carabiner. You can hook it right onto your backpack or your purse, and inside it unzips and it holds 8 little 5/8 dram bottles that you can refill, you can fill for yourself, mark them well, and you decide what you want to take along with you. In mine, I have some tea tree, some melaleuca, great for disinfecting and for antiviral, antimicrobial. You cut yourself and you want to put something on there to help prevent infection. That's a great one. Lavender, similar properties, but much more gentle and nourishing to the skin. A million uses. I say that lavender is the duct tape of oils because you can use it for just about anything. Roman chamomile. This is one of my other favorites for soothing the skin. Get a little bug bite, or you feel like you're starting to break out with some poison ivy. You throw some of that on there, or some geranium, which I also carry with me. Wonderful for that. Eucalyptus. You're starting to have a little headache. Put a little bit of lavender or a little bit of eucalyptus. It's very calming, but it also opens up your airways, and breathe that a little bit. That will help you overcome that. Lemongrass, very soothing to the stomach. Put a little drop in your water. Peppermint. You bit your tongue and you need a little something to help it to help the throbbing until it starts healing. The peppermint will help with that. Ginger, great for your stomach. Another alternative would be something like this. I got this little guy on Amazon, and it was only a few dollars, and it holds roller bottles. It holds 10 roller bottles in all. And roller bottles are great, but they're not ideal for first aid because you really want something with a dropper top that you can just put a drop on. So I would recommend you'd use at least a small kit, but I like to carry both of them because you never know what you're going to encounter. And I'm first aid certified. I know the importance of being prepared, and I feel more comfortable when I know that I have my oils with me. If I'm RVing, or if I'm out on a day hike, or I went on a road trip to take my grandson to the zoo, I don't want to wait until I get home to use my oils. I want to have them with me. So here I have some Digest Zen. Great if you're having some stomach upset. You can either put a drop in water and drink it, or you can just apply it directly to your stomach. In a matter of minutes, you should feel relief from that. Again, the melaleuca, I like to have along with me. Here is Purify. This is a great blend from doTerra. It's going to help you cleanse the area. If you're not around water and you need to try to get some dirt out of an abrasion, let's say, you can put a little bit of this on until you can get to water to clean it out, and that will help. Peppermint, again, a wonderful handy dandy. You have a headache, put a drop on your hands, help open the airways if it's a sinus headache. Again, the lavender would be another one. And this is On Guard. On Guard is wonderful because it helps boost your immunity. You can put a little bit around the outside of a cut, or maybe you're getting an earache. Just put a little bit on the outside of your ear. You never want to put essential oils in your ears, or in your eyes, or any other sensitive mucous membrane. But there are certain things where if you just have it near it helps the whole area to respond better to whatever injury you are having. So figure out what it is that you feel most comfortable having along with you, because you know how you can use it. It's got multi-facets. Also consider taking some fractionated coconut oil and filling a little, this is a 1 milliliter bottle with a dropper top. Fill that with the coconut oil, or you could use an almond oil or something like that for a carrier, because sometimes you have an injury and it really hurts to touch it, and you're trying to get a drop of essential oil across an area that's larger than that big. Well, if you put a drop of the coconut oil on your skin first, and then you drop, let's say, the lavender on top, that lavender will spread through the coconut oil and cover a larger area of the surface of your skin. So that would be a great way to take these oils and have them spread a little bit further. Say you fell down and you skinned your leg. If you have a larger area that you want to cover, the coconut oil will help spread that. So that is my recommendation. Also, look at that Daily Drop. It's an app where you can go in there and see what you can use different oils for, and really think out what you'd like in your to-go pack, in your little first aid kit, and prepare by having maybe a little booklet on essential oils that, make something for yourself if you're not finding what you need online, and be prepared so that you can immediately solve the problem at hand and get on with the rest of whatever you're doing on your day out on the road. But that's it from here in New Jersey. Thanks for listening. Hopefully you'll have a wonderful and very safe day. Thanks.